lock the throttle, so.
That's all right. I'm going to start getting light.
Okay.
There it goes. Now, just let it come up. You just kind of pause.
Pause.
And then up and away from the hill.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try a little bit more of a hill. Unfortunately, the grass is also a little bit taller. So right about here. They're just coming in nice and slow, slow, slow.
Blizzard traffic, Cherokee 9695 Charlie, left downwind, runway 27, Blizzard.
Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Touching your skid. Alright, just pausing and slowly dropping. Slowly dropping. Pushing into that hill. Pushing into that hill. Alright, let's go ahead and just pick right up from here.
Right here.
And we pause, and then we fly away from the hill. You want to fly away from the hill before you think about turning, right? Because if you have much of a hill, you're going to whack the tail, and we don't want that. All right. So even that little bit of a hill was kind of on the edge of what this helicopter could do. I don't know if you were feeling that or not, but
Traffic,
you know, we're
9695 Charlie on
pretty much right
downwind,
there.
runway
That's about all we could do.